Gonzaga ang ating game 1. Arisgado, back to Abase. Bounce pass to Rodriguez. Rodriguez pineled off the cross. Yes, good for sure. Deadlock tayo. Laksamana ngayon. Laksamana pass to Servano. Ganda balik. Laksamana again. Pineled. Roy. May pumarap na pinag foul. Holland jersey number 41, Rodriguez. Rodriguez first personal foul, first team foul. First row by Laksamana. Laksamana first row, not good. Last row, connect one. Rodriguez, si Marabal, pasok ang pase. Pasok rin ka kay Tansil. Tansil right open from foul zone. Good for three. Grabe, kakapasok lang. Laksamana to Conde. Conde mabawi from foul zone. Mating patalet. Good for three. Mabase ngayon, easy to ball, looking for someone. Last 6 minutes. Tansil, shot lock by the brand. Walang great skill. Laksamana after Lagwa, pass break pass. Counter still again, pag-passing. Lakson. Lakson, oy, may pawalak na pin foul. Foul guys number 0. Blocking foul na tinawag kay Laksamana. Laksamana first personal foul. First team foul. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Shot lock down to 20 tayo. Rodriguez again sa gitna. Laglang Arisgado jump shot. Yes, what for sure. Conte Salazar quick. Pulang choppers. Tapigan bola sining lamang. Nakawalit ni Salazar. Salazar, Roy. May pumalak na pitong foul. Foul jersey number 26. 26, Arisgado illegally advance. Arisgado first personal foul. Second team foul. First row by Salazar, connect one. Last row, jumpers ready. Yes, connect full. Change paper na naman. Salitan lang naman. Kabase. Lumabas someone. Got it by Conte. Shot lock by the 12. Arisgado, shot lock by the 10. Shot lock by the 6. Shot lock by the 4. Roy, walang big rebound. Largo pas, Laksamana, dinalo pa, wala. Walang late block, Tansil. Tansil ngayon. Tansil, deflected pass. Awang bola ka base, recover the ball. Tansil na bitawan, Arisgado ngayon. Arisgado ang paglas, wala. Big rebound. Uy, last touch, big ball tayo. Shot lock down to 14. Again, shot lock down to 14. Lakson from the parking lot, wala. Big rebound, Salazar. Passing pass to Conte. Conte no jump off the pass, go to zero. Abase to Rodriguez. Last 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Rodriguez to Abase again. Ray na bitawan, Salazar, pass to Conte. Conte na kung nadali, ito lang sama ng ayang pass pero wala. Kapingan bola naman si Marco. Shot lock na to 14. Conte ngayon. Shot lock na to 10. Salazar jump shot, wala. Big rebound, Servano. Shot lock na to 10. Largo West of Ventura. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Lamang na ng 5 paligo ang Team BCP. Lakson sa Balaro pero wala. Tansil, walang great steal. Sabi ko sa 10 around. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Shot lang down to 14. Walang great steal. Salazar. Pasok, one day, gandang balik naman doon. Salazar went open off the glass to Ventura. Timeout ang Team SJP. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Official score, 26-33. Kapasin Paso Lacson. Torres Cado, pull up choppers. Roy Rodriguez naman. Iba ng veterano. Good fight zero. Laksamana, pasok Conde. Conde from down south. Bad pass, big rebound. Offensive rebound, Serpano ka nagandang Salazar off the glass. Good fight zero. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Lacson, guarded by Salazar. Pasok ang pase. Pastor Rodriguez, shot lock on the ground. Uy, managing steal, Largo. Well, again, this is our battle for third. Ng ating additional clock. Largo yung ball, pass to Laksamana. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Laksamana, pass to Largo. Bounce pass to Conde, back to Largo again. Shot lock on the ground. Gandang ikot naman nun. Serpano nilang nakumpit. Laksamana ngayon. Turn around. And Laksan runner. Ray. Last 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Ariscado naman naman, pass to ang pase. Tansil from down zone. Offensive rebound, Lacson, pin away. Wala. May pumanak na people foul. Foul just number 12, illegal is advance. Serpano Ward. Third personal foul. First team foul, 2 shots at Mr. Ariscado. First Roman is gotta go for 1. Yes, kompleto ang dalawa. Laksamana. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. On the compound sound, good for 3. Kapase. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Rodriguez ngayon. Kapase, pulang choppers. Good for 2. Laksamana. Last 1 minute and 25. Serpano one offensive shot. Tingnan down back. Last touch. Wala mabalik sa team SJP. Remaining time, 1 minute and 21 seconds. Kapase. Shot lock down to 15. Kapitan bola ng Wallace in front. Pass break pass to Serpano. Serpano yes to Ventura. Last 1 minute. Okay, silver tayo. Last 57 seconds. Shot lock down to 18. Ariscado to Tansil. Last 55. Shot lock down to 14. Ariscado pull up jumpers. Yes to Ventura. Last 45. Last 40. Shot lock down to 14. Laksama na skip na defense na pangandaba pero wala. King rebound na Escado. Pass back pass to Dancil. Dancil is tama na ay. Borde last 25. Laksama na wala. Servado ay last 20. Uy, may kulang na pick foul. Foul just number 12. Bigyan na Subans on. Dancil first personal foul. 3 team fouls. Last 19 seconds tayo. Last 19. Wala na tayong shot clock. Last 15. Dancil front down sound. Lacson. Looking ball. Last 8. Last 6 seconds tayo. Last 6. Again, last 6 seconds. Last 5, 4. Ano yung red? Not counted. Nasa kamay pa yung bola. Official score, 34-42. In favor of Team BCP.